brighter, and I swear to God you look just like her. Well, the candle flickers when you touch her, and it don't get better 'cause you feel like